Right, so here we go. This is part 3 of the Commitment of Traders report. And we'll start with crude oil. The Commitment of Traders are fairly heavily bearish of the oil. And since this report came out, we have had this nice big green candle back up in the strength of the oil. Now, all I can think is that since we've got that, this will have gone even more bearish. So we're looking for this green candle to fade over the next couple of days. Might get a little bit more height on it. I really don't know, but I would expect this to fade back down and follow through. We've had some really nice moves on this crude oil since the beginning of the year. It's been really nice, and I think that's going to follow through nicely for us. And we'll move on to metals. We'll move on to silver. The Commitment of Traders, this generally is going down, and the more that the dollar gains in strength, then the silver will come down even more. They are fairly bearish. We've got the speculators opposite, doing more or less the same sort of thing. It's looking to me, it is quite high price at the moment. I have got a trade on it, and it's looking to me as though we're waiting for it to follow through short. I've heard one or two people say the same thing about gold, and silver and gold do sort of run in a similar sort of vein. So we're looking at, we are fairly bearish of this pair. Speculators are more or less opposite. We haven't got a massive short position like we had back here, but I still think this is going to be a sell down through back down to recent lows. Move my picture. There we go. S&P 500. We've had this large step up in shorts. Recently, we've had a couple of big down candles. This has probably upset the market a little bit. The speculators were very slow coming back in once it went down. Normally, if you look back, the candle goes down, it pops back up, and then it makes fresh highs. It goes down there, it pops back up. This time it's gone back, it's gone down, it's popped slowly back up, but it hasn't made a fresh high. We've come down here. It's about at even Stevens where it was. It hasn't come back up, so that is looking fairly bearish to me. And the Commitment to Traders have put a large extra short position in, and I think this is going to follow through short. Well, I've said it before, but I just cannot believe where they keep finding the people from to put money into this overbought market. But there you go. Anyway, thank you for watching. Sorry it's been so bitty. I've had a lot of trouble with the internet yesterday. Been a nightmare. And hopefully see you again on Monday. Cheers now. Bye.